In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use search folders in Microsoft Outlook. Using search folders is a powerful way to organize and quickly find important emails without moving them from their original locations. Instead of manually searching through your inbox or different folders, search folders allow you to create a virtual folder that automatically displays emails based on specific criteria, such as unread messages, flagged items, or emails from certain senders. This helps you stay organized and improves your productivity by giving you instant access to important messages. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook and make sure you are in the Mail view where your folders and inbox are visible. Once you are there, look at the top navigation area and find the folder management options. This is where Outlook allows you to create and manage different types of folders, including search folders. Next, locate and select the option to create a new search folder. When you click this option, a window will appear showing different predefined search templates. These templates are designed to help you quickly filter emails based on common needs, such as mail from specific people, unread mail, or mail with attachments. At this stage, choose the type of search folder that best matches what you want to organize. After selecting a template, you may also be given the option to customize the criteria further. This allows you to refine your search so that only the most relevant emails are displayed in your search folder. Once your selection is complete, confirm the setup by clicking OK. Outlook will then automatically generate the search folder and place it within your folder list. From this point onward, the folder will continuously update itself, showing only the emails that match the criteria you selected. You can click on the search folder anytime to instantly view filtered emails without needing to run manual searches. This makes it especially useful for tracking important conversations, follow-ups, or unread messages that require attention. And that is how you use search folders in Microsoft Outlook. This feature is extremely helpful for keeping your inbox organized and ensuring that important emails are always easy to find, even when your mailbox becomes full or busy. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.